I know God wouldn't call me to just be a silent or a stush Christian. So whenever I post, I want you all to leave my post alone. I didn't ask for your opinion.
You always have some people going like them want program some people life. You see what I say? But let me tell you this, don't make nobody program your life.
And you mix up gossipers and idiots, yeah? Religious idiots, some of you are. I care zero. I'm telling you as it is, yeah? I want you to know this. I know this only now, and don't talk to me, because I'm gonna start blocking everybody. I'm not looking followers. I just want you to know.
Yes, so wagwan my people, respect for tuning into another video. Yeah, big up on yourself. But from when you see the thumbnail and the title, then you already know what is on the menu today. And today we're forward to talk about Lady Star. Yeah, just speaking out and a beat down upon all our gossipers. Them, yeah, the people them will constantly watch her and have this and that to say, and she make them know say watch her now. When she posts her thing, she not ask for nobody opinion and she don't want nobody a comment on it. And she say at the end of the day, she knows say God never call her for being a stushy type of Christian. You see me I say? And basically she talk big things my people, so I want to stick around for that. Also coming up in other news, well basically Valiant and Stark actually shell down London performance my people. Me I tell you say it hot, crazy performance people. You no need to stay tuned to see that. Also we have a little message from Progress the Great. But you already know how we do the thing. You see me? Consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also give this video a like. Yeah, also share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you don't know how we do the thing as we say. You see me? We are going to just jump in at the intro and come right back to the video. So you don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
Could I never forget where me come from? No matter what me do, me a Jamaican.
So now people, we see we're in which dancehall artist Valiant has shell down a performance in London, England. And me I tell you say the performance crazy, yeah, and basically a human Stark actually. And me I tell you say people, them shell down the place, you want to hear the crowd, no doubt. Yeah, and I love to see how Valiant a rep for the culture internationally. You see me I say, because I remember when people used to say Valiant tune, them can't pass airport. Now right now basically Valiant a show them say watch you know, a international way I take it and we are shake up the place. You see me I say, and we all know say Valiant is doing a lot of performance in England right now. So people right now I have one of the performance, the latest performance to show you, and I want to check it out and tell me what you really think about Valiant and Stark actually performance. Because me I tell you say people it at it crazy. So here we check it out.
So why you doing this?
So now my people, that is dancehall artist Valiant and Star Kashila. Me nah like crazy performance, me love it. You see me I say you don't know, big up the two artists them said we yeah, we love how now rep for the country and a rep for the culture. And at the end of the day, you don't know say anywhere Jamaicans go, yeah we a star. You see me I say you don't know, big up the artists them said we, but viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think about this performance down into the comment section. Yeah man, make me know what go on in our mind, in our cranium. You see me I say, but coming up in this other news, well basically ladies are attack up bare things right now, and ladies are make them know say watch now at the end of the day, you know, me no want nobody a fast na my business, and she also make all of the gossipers and naysayers them know say at the end of the day when she posts her stuff, she no want nobody share them opinion, and she not look no followers from nobody, she not look no like, and she not really care. You understand what I mean? But basically here what go on. You see, instead of me they are telling you everything what go on in my video, me I go just make you check it out for yourself from Mama Sa. You see me I say, so here what? Check out the video.
So, you know who I was. Very radical, and you know, I know God wouldn't call me to just be a silent or a, you know, a stush Christian. So whenever I post, I want you all to leave my post alone. I didn't ask for your opinion on my post. Whenever I post, I'm gonna say it right now. I post heels yesterday. I got these new shoes, right? And I said these heels, they're so big and thick. I said, this is how I'm gonna step in the serpent neck. And you mix up gossipers and idiots, yeah? Religious idiots, some of you are. I care zero. I'm telling you as it is, yeah? You are so naive, and some of you religious fools out there, God forgive me. You just jump on my posts every day and just accuse me of interfering with people. Are you out of your mind? The word of God said we will step in the necks of our enemies. I already done step in my necks of the necks of my enemies. Listen this. When I post that post, I wasn't talking to nobody. I want you to know this. That's why I put this up. I rest my case. I want you to know this. I know this only now, and don't talk to me, because I'm gonna start blocking everybody. I'm not looking followers. I just want you to know. Whenever I post my message to motivate other Christians like myself, this is how I'm gonna step in the neck of the serpent. Why is it that you think I have time to think about people? People are living in, you're so delusional. You're in a world all by yourself, just delusional, thinking that people talking about you. Do you have the keys to heaven? Because that's where I want to go. You think I would have time to waste upon you?
Yes, so now people, I want to tell me what you think about everything we ladies say right to say. You see me I say, because at the end of the day, Mama Sa just make them know, say, watch out now, she want them stop, watch out to her thing. You see me I say, she say basically anything where she wear, people always find a fault and have something to say about it. You see me I say, and she say, yo, when she post her thing, them, she not look no friend and she not look no followers basically. So she don't want nobody a comment or a share no opinion where them think about her thing. You see me I say, and basically overall, she just make the people them know, say, yo, watch her now, leave me alone. You see me, I say, because watch her now, at the end of the day, she say, when she posts her thing, them, faith, the Christian, them, you see me, she don't want people to come say this and come say that at the end of the day. And you don't know, say, at the end of the day, big up Mama Sa said, because I'm not fooling she attack, you see me. She basically tell people, say, watch her now, come out of my business, man, I'm too fast. But we all know, say, that's how Jamaican people stay already, and people overall. But really and truly, Jamaicans mix up differently. You see me I say? Yeah, because basically Mama say, yo, she don't want nobody programmer. You see me I say? Top watch out her thing. And man, she tell you, say, come kiss out her Bible. You see me I say?
Hey, come kiss out me Bible. Come over uno a Satan disciple. The devil have you like a horse in a bridle. Sit down up in your saddle and a ride you. Jezebel, come kiss up.
But you don't know, we don't want nobody programming. So here what? I'm gonna make you check out that video here with Progress the Great.
You always have some people going like them want program some people life. You see what I say? But let me tell you this, don't make nobody program your life. Cause you see, if God did want somebody to program your life, you know what would happen? You see when your mother push you out, one remote to that push out back at you too. That means that through the whole of your life, somebody will have the remote they can program you. You see, you don't have no remote? Don't live nobody life. Make them live them own life. You live your life and don't make nobody put you in a box and program you.
Yes, so people, that was Progress the Great. You see me I say? And basically, man, I say, yo, don't take no program from nobody. You see me I say? Because you see, if you did for program, you would have born with a remote, like a TV or something, you see me, where people can just press it and say on and off. You see me I say? So never take program from people. But anyways, that's what I said before, people. Just tell me what you think about all of this down into the comment section. You see me I say? And you don't know, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, give this video a like. Yeah, just give it a little like right now. Thank you very much. Yeah, and share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do a thing over here. You see me? Peace, love, unity, bless. I'm out.